So many holiday parties this time of year, things can get a bit hectic, as we all know. And whether you're hosting the party or maybe you have to bring a dish to a potluck this morning, we've got an easy recipe that will help everyone stay healthy during the holidays. Plus, there's bacon.
So we're going to make bacon healthy?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'm in. Celebrity chef Mark Kalix joins us from Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom. So we're going to make a salad, a warm salad.
A warm salad. You know, so salads don't have to be for summer, right?
Right.
And I love celebrating salads that celebrate the season. So this is a winter salad.
And you're calling it healthy with bacon.
I'm not. I'm not. You know, I make no claim to make.
So I made that claim.
I don't know how that
You
got in
did.
the script
Yeah.
there, because it's not right.
So tell us what you got simmering here, because it smells so good.
Doesn't it smell amazing?
Yeah,
I wish we had smell-o-vision for your audience. Here's what I got. I got all the ingredients over here. I've got bacon, of course. I diced an onion, mustard vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, touch of sugar. I brown the bacon with the onions, and when I dice an onion, of course, folks, this is what I like to do. I like to leave that root end on, and it'll hold everything together. So as I'm dicing, you can see it acts like the handle for me to hold on to.
Man, you do that so fast.
Yeah, that's right. And
without even crying.
It looks
Without
like
even
Dutra in the
crying.
kitchen.
Yeah, Greg's over there being like, yep, that's how I do it, right?
that's me.
And because I'm going to throw that away anyways, I leave it on as my handle as I'm dicing. So
Interesting.
I brown my bacon, I brown my onions, I get the mustard, the vinegar, the sugar in there. That mustard, pardon me, the sugar and the vinegar makes a gastrique, right? It gives you that nice sweet and sour.
Right.
That's that smell that you're smelling. That's kind of got the taste buds
Strong,
firing. Yeah, and then what we're going to do is we're going to wilt this. And I can add other ingredients to this. Sometimes I like to add roasted sweet potatoes or butternut squash. Sometimes I even do kale. And when I do kale, I'm going to have you help me out here.
Yeah,
when I do kale, what I do is I strip my kale. So I pull against the grain, and I pull it right
Against the grain,
and I pull it right off the stalk.
Oh, yeah, okay. Okay.
Yep. And then I just knead my kale down like that.
That's how they do it.
That's how they do that. So just zip it right off the stem, and then this you can compost, and you're good to go.
I noticed that you brought spinach and not romaine lettuce.
Yes, that's right. Romaine's back on the shelves, but
It is.
under an abundance of caution, we're going to use spinach here. Okay.
Because it's healthy, and you get these Popeye
That's how you get the Popeye muscles. Okay, so here's the key production point when you're doing this.
Okay.
I'm going to wilt my spinach right over my stove. Right?
Ooh.
And what that's going to do is that's going to allow that spinach to sit down and absorb a little bit of the flavor. You can hear it kind of sizzling a little bit. I don't want to cook this. I don't want it to be like, you know when you take a whole thing of spinach and you cook it and you end up with like one little tiny teaspoon?
Yeah.
No. What we're just doing is we're allowing this to absorb the dressing. Any metal bowl on any burner, whether it's electric or gas, or even on the grill if I'm doing this outside. And look at that. See how
So
it
it's
just...
not getting slimy or
Right, it's not getting slimy. See how it just like sits down? It just like, it just sits down, right? That's the technical term.
If the salad could talk.
If the salad could talk. If the salad could talk, it would just, Look at that. See how it's got this nice shine to it?
All right. We got 10 seconds.
Okay.
We'll leave you on that. We can't
and
wait
we're
to
gonna
dig
eat this bad boy. Look at that.
Chef
We'll
Mark,
see you
thank
guys
for
at
coming in.
11.